Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 9 Elmwood Close in Whitstable. Now, Elmwood Close is a wonderful little location. It's tucked right away on a private road, and you're in just fantastic distance to everything, really. You've got Tankerton just a short walk away, along with the seafront there. It's just a fantastic location. Certainly if you're looking to raise a family, it's a very quiet, very safe location here. So coming into the property, we'll come through to the lounge here, and you can see the property's finished and decorated to a really lovely standard. You see the French doors there leading out onto the rear garden. It's just a wonderful space that they've created here, and you've got that feature fireplace there as well, which again is a nice focal point to the room. So this property, a few details in general, it's a detached property, and you've got 3 double bedrooms here, and you've got a wealth of ground floor living space. But just looking at that rear garden, you can see just what a wonderful space it really is. It's nice and light and bright, big open space, and you've got a nice mixture of sort of the decking area there for alfresco dining and just enjoying time with friends and family. But we'll go through and take a quick look at the garden now and exactly what it has to offer. So now that we've had a good chance to look at the rear garden, then we're going to come into this really fantastic sort of dining space, come reception space. It can be used for whatever you'd like it to be used for. It's a really well integrated space located just off of the kitchen, so you can have this as second reception room if you wanted to, or as a independent dining space. It's such a big room that you could really use it for anything that you wanted to. And then as we come through to the front, you can see here you've got this really fantastic utility space, which again, with a property of this size, is just so practical to have. And you've got the window there at the front, just letting that natural light through. So it makes this space so very useful. And you can see that fantastic, those wonderful sky lanterns there, just letting all of that light through there. It's just absolutely wonderful. So coming through to the kitchen, you'll see here a nice clean and modern finish to the kitchen, and again you've got that nice window overlooking the rear garden. You've got space here for integrated appliances. It's just a wonderful space, and again it's practically located just between the lounge and that interesting reception space there that could easily be used as a dining room. So we'll have a quick look at this and then go through, take a look at the rest of the property. So again, on the ground level of this property, we do have the downstairs shower room. So if you wanted to, you could easily accommodate ground floor living with this property. It's so easily done because you've got those 2 reception spaces at the back of the property, either side of the kitchen. You could easily use the front family room as a really fantastic sized bedroom. I think the bedroom actually works out very similar size to the master bedroom upstairs, which we'll go and take a look at in a little moment. So if you need ground floor living space with this property, it's certainly accommodated here. And we'll go through and take a quick look at the third of the ground floor reception spaces now. So here we are in the family room, and the first thing you notice is that really imposing bay window there at the front. And again, you can see the decorative finish in here is just beautiful. It's nice and clean and modern, so very easy to work with. And it's nice that you can come to this property and know that you don't have anything to do here whatsoever. You can move straight in. It's absolutely wonderful. So we'll go upstairs now, where we'll take a look at the family bathroom and the 3 bedrooms. So here we are in the first of the 3 bedrooms. You can see really nice sized room. You've got that window at the front there letting all that lovely natural light through, but you've got really good sized rooms here. Of course, this room is easily a double size. If you wanted a double bed in here, you could easily fit that. That's no problem at all. So as we come back through, what we're going to do is again just look at the size of that landing space. It's absolutely wonderful. We'll come through here to the front bedroom, and again you can see that really imposing bay window at the front, and you've got those little fitted storage cupboards there as well. So again you can see this is a really nice sized double bedroom, plenty of space in here, and you've got that nice little fireplace there at the front, just giving a bit of character and adding a bit more to the room. Again, decorative finish in here is just beautiful. So we'll go through now and take a look at the family bathroom. So here we are in the family bathroom, and again you can see that lovely, wonderful decorative finish that you have here, and you've got the gorgeous roll top bath there and the sink unit there inset onto that really wonderful little vanity table there. It's just a wonderful space. The floor tiles here, I really love the floor tiles, and you can see the wood paneling. Again, it all just works so well, and with that concealed cistern there for the toilet, again it just keeps the space nice and minimalistic, but just adds a lot of character to it as well. So what we'll do is we'll come through and take a look at the last of the 3 bedrooms here, and you can see it's a fantastic sized room. You can see you've got that lovely big window there at the front. Really nice sized room this. So again, to recap with this property, it's got 3 bedrooms. You've got a wealth of ground floor living space, and you've got the option here to have ground floor living if you wanted it. And of course you've got that double length garage with plenty of parking to the front. But mainly the location is absolutely wonderful, and I'd give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies to find out a bit more.